Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate source for cutting-edge technology, AI, and automation. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie: autonomous farming. Imagine a world where no human hands are needed to plant, grow, or harvest food. A world where AI-powered machines handle every aspect of farming, from soil preparation to crop collection. It may sound futuristic, but this is not science fiction. It's happening right now. Big tech companies and agricultural innovators are racing to develop fully automated farms, where self-driving tractors, robotic harvesters, and AI-powered monitoring systems work together to produce food faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than ever before. But is this really the future of farming? Will human farmers become obsolete? Is autonomous farming really better for the environment? And most importantly, is our food supply safe in the hands of AI? In today's video, we'll uncover the shocking truth about autonomous farming, how it works, who's leading the revolution, and what this means for the future of food production. If you love exploring the future of technology, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Tech Dream Gear. Now, let's get started. The rise of autonomous farming. Why it's happening now. Farming has been around for over 10,000 years, evolving from small manual farms to large-scale industrial operations. But today, farming is undergoing its most dramatic transformation yet: the rise of fully autonomous agriculture. Why is this happening now? The answer lies in three major challenges facing modern agriculture. 1. The global farming labor crisis. Farming has always been a labor-intensive industry, but fewer people are choosing to work in agriculture. In the United States, the number of farm workers has declined by more than 50% in the last century. In Europe, many farmers are aging, and younger generations are moving to urban areas. In developing countries, climate change and economic shifts are making it harder for people to stay in farming jobs. With fewer workers available, farmers are turning to AI and robotics to keep their farms running. 2. The demand for more food with fewer resources. By 2050, the global population is expected to hit 10 billion people. This means food production needs to increase by 70%, yet farmland and water supplies are shrinking. Autonomous farming provides solutions by using AI to optimize land use and grow more crops per acre, reducing water waste with smart irrigation systems, minimizing food waste by harvesting crops at the perfect time. 3. The impact of climate change. Extreme weather, rising temperatures, and unpredictable rainfall are making traditional farming increasingly difficult. Autonomous farming removes human limitations by using AI-powered climate models to predict the best time to plant and harvest. Autonomous tractors that work 24/7, even in harsh conditions. Drones and sensors that track soil health in real time. Now that we understand why farming is becoming autonomous, let's take a look at how these high-tech farms actually work. How autonomous farming works, the tech behind it. A fully autonomous farm doesn't just rely on one machine, it's an interconnected network of AI-driven robots, drones, and data analytics systems. Here's how it all works together. 1. AI-powered self-driving tractors. Traditional tractors require human operators, but autonomous tractors can work with zero human input. GPS and LiDAR sensors allow tractors to navigate fields without a driver. Machine learning algorithms optimize routes to reduce fuel use and increase efficiency. Smart soil analysis systems adjust planting techniques based on real-time data. The John Deere 8R autonomous tractor is already in use, operating fully autonomously to plow fields and plant crops. 2. Robotic harvesters that pick crops without humans. Harvesting is one of the most labor-intensive tasks in farming, but robots are taking over. Computer vision technology identifies ripe fruits and vegetables with 99% accuracy. Soft-touch robotic arms carefully pick crops without bruising or damaging them. AI-driven decision-making ensures that only the best quality produce is harvested. The Agribot E-Series can harvest strawberries faster than a human worker. while Fuent's ideal combine harvester uses self-learning AI to optimize grain collection. 3. Drone monitoring and smart irrigation. Drones are playing a huge role in autonomous farming, helping farmers see their fields from the sky. Multispectral imaging detects plant diseases before they spread. AI-powered irrigation systems water crops only when needed, reducing water waste by up to 90%. Automated pesticide drones apply treatments with pinpoint precision, reducing chemical use. Companies like DJI Agriculture and Precision Hawk are leading the way in AI-powered aerial farming. For AI-driven data analytics for smarter farming. Perhaps the most powerful aspect of autonomous farming is data collection. Yield prediction models analyze past harvests to forecast future crop performance. Market demand tracking ensures that farms produce the right amount of food to match global demand. Blockchain-powered food supply chains improve traceability, ensuring food safety and quality. With AI, farms don't just grow crops, they grow knowledge, making each harvest smarter than the last. The future of farming, what comes next? As AI and robotics continue to advance, we may soon see fully automated farms where drones handle crop planting instead of tractors. AI-powered greenhouses produce food without soil. Smart food supply chains reduce waste and improve freshness. Some experts believe that within the next 20 years, most large-scale farms will be fully autonomous, with humans acting as AI supervisors rather than field workers. Is the future of farming hands-free? Autonomous farming isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. AI-powered harvesters, robotic tractors, and drone technology are changing how we grow food, solving some of the biggest challenges in agriculture. But what do you think? Will farming ever be completely autonomous? Or will human farmers always be needed? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring the future of technology, subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more deep dives into the innovations shaping our world. See you in the next video.